How to start with Mixpanel's free plan. Mixpanel offers a free plan that allows users to access essential product analytics features without any time limitations. This plan includes up to 20 million events per month, enabling you to analyze user behavior and make informed decisions. Step 1. Sign up for the free plan. Visit the Mixpanel free plan page. Click on the Sign Up for Free button. Complete the registration form with your email address and create a password. No credit card is required to sign up. Step 2. Set up your project. After registering, log in to your Mixpanel account. Create a new project by providing a project name and selecting the appropriate platform, e.g., web, iOS, Android. Step 3. Integrate Mixpanel with your product. Follow the integration guides provided by Mixpanel to add the necessary tracking code to your product. Ensure that events are properly defined to capture user interactions relevant to your analysis. Step 4. Explore analytics features. Utilize core reports such as insights, funnels, retention, and flows to analyze user behavior. Leverage templates to quickly set up dashboards and reports tailored to your needs. Step 5. Manage your usage. Monitor your event usage to ensure it stays within the 20 million events per month limit. If your usage approaches the limit, consider upgrading to a paid plan for higher event allowances and additional features. By following these steps, you can effectively utilize Mixpanel's free plan to gain valuable insights into your product's user engagement and performance.